Quora, another great question. How many trademarks can a single company have? My name is Andrei Answers, I'm the founder of Trademark Factory. Here's my answer to this question. As many as possible, as many as they want. It doesn't matter what the company name is, whether the company name matches any of the trademarks, doesn't matter one bit. If you've got the budget, if you've got if you understand the benefit of getting that brand trademarked, then you just go and get it trademarked. And if there's more than one, you get more than one. If there are variations, you do the variations. You can just go on and on and on and on and keep adding trademarks to your portfolio. And that's what big companies do. If you think about it, the most valuable brand in the world today is Amazon, and it's valued at over $315 billion. If that's not mind-blowing, I don't know what is, right? So they've got this massively valuable trademark. But the other thing that you should know is that Amazon owns close to 1,300 trademarks in the US alone. So some of them are already registered, some of them have just been applied for, some of them they're no longer using, some of them are even dead. But the whole number, the absolute number, should be a good lesson, right? Similarly, Apple's got over 1,100 trademarks in the US alone. So if you want one trademark, you can have one trademark. If you want 1,500 trademarks, you can have 1,500 trademarks. And you just do it based on, is it adding any value, right? A trademark is not the end goal. It's a means to an end. How does this trademark help me accomplish my business goals? And if all you need is 3 trademarks, well, then just go for 3 trademarks and don't worry about what other people do and how many more trademarks you can file. And if you see that the trademark is actually working for you and it's attracting more people, it's getting them into your program, into your business, then maybe it's a good idea to focus on what works. I hope it answers your question, and until then, I'll see you, I guess, in the next video.